How to watch NFL 2025-2026 online on YouTube TV. If you want to watch the NFL 2025-2026 season online, one of the easiest options is to use YouTube TV. First, you need an active YouTube TV subscription, which includes access to live local channels like CBS, NBC, Fox, and ESPN. These are the primary channels that broadcast regular NFL games, Sunday Night Football, Monday Night Football, and most playoff matchups. Once your subscription is active, open the YouTube TV app or website and go to the Live tab. When the NFL season begins, games will automatically appear in your live guide based on your location and available channels. You can also search NFL to quickly find upcoming games, team pages, and schedule listing. If you watch every out-of-market Sunday game, you can add NFL Sunday Ticket Upgrade, which locks all Sunday afternoon matchups directly into YouTube TV. It's available as season purchase or monthly payment during the fall. Students also get a discount rate for Sunday ticket after verifying with Share ID. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.